Hey, my loves! Welcome back to Own Your Beauty. Today we're settling the ultimate skincare battle. Ghee versus Malai. Which natural kitchen ingredient gives you that glow? We're breaking down benefits, skin types, and how to use them. Let's find your perfect match. First up, ghee. This isn't just for cooking, it's liquid gold for your skin. Packed with omega fatty acids and vitamins A, D, E, and K. These antioxidants fight free radicals and deeply moisturize from within, perfect for dry or mature skin. It penetrates deep, repairing your skin barrier. Now for Malai, the epitome of gentle nourishment. Contains lactic acid, a natural AHA for gentle exfoliation. It removes dead cells, brightens skin tone, and provides instant dewy glow, ideal for normal to combination skin. Plus, it soothes and calms irritation naturally. Dry or mature skin, choose ghee for intense hydration. Normal or dull skin, Malai brightens and exfoliates gently. Oily skin, use sparingly as spot treatments only. For ghee, warm between fingers, massage upward on clean skin nightly. For Malai, mix with turmeric, apply as mask for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water for instantly softer, brighter skin. Always patch test first and use pure quality ingredients. For more natural beauty secrets, subscribe to Own Your Beauty. Hit that bell icon. Let's own our beauty together. Keep glowing, my loves. You're absolutely gorgeous.